So good morning one and all present here. So today we have gathered here to attend the Jolly Phonics workshop. Jolly Phonics is a vital part of our curriculum. Today our goal is to provide a comprehensive understanding of Jolly Phonics curriculum. Throughout today's workshop, we'll explore the different sounds and the action of 26 letters in the alphabet. We'll discuss how each sound is taught, the techniques used to enforce these sounds, and the progression from recognizing letters to blending sounds, and the progression of 72 words as well. By the end of the session, you'll have a thorough understanding of how Jolly Phonics supports early literacy development. Before we proceed, it is essential to understand the concept of phonics. The word phonics is originated from the Greek word that is phone, and phone is related to the sounds. Similarly, phonics is also closely related to the sound because every letter creates its own sound. So the word phonics derived from the Greek word phone. Alright, so let's move on to the next. Now we'll understand there are 26 letters in alphabet, and we have divided those letters into two parts, 5 vowels and remaining 21 consonants. Here you can see A, E, I, O, U, 5 vowels, and it has their own sound. And now remaining are the consonant B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the consonants, right? So every child of LKG will begin from nursery. We'll give only the gist of sounds in class nursery, but in class LKG they'll have a thorough understanding of all the 26 letter sounds, right? And then you can see here 25 letters. You must be wondering, ma'am, to abhi 26 letters ma'am was saying, but here it is written 25 letters. Why? Because there is one letter, letter Q. It never comes all alone. It always accompanied with letter U. And in LKG class, we teach only single letter sound. That is why letter Q will come in class UKG, not in LKG, right? So here you can see 25 single letter sounds, and we have divided those 25 letters into 4 groups. And again, you must be wondering again, why ma'am has not kept all the letters in sequence, A, B, C, D, E, G, H, I, J, K. Why we have not kept all the letters in sequence in all those 4 groups? Sequence में क्यों नहीं रखा? Why? Because if we take A, B, C, D, E, F, because 6 letters are there in each group. If we keep these 6 letters, we'll not be able to make many words. But from taking such groups, such letters, it is easier for us to create maximum 3-letter words. SATIPN means we can make near around 20-25 words out of it. So that is why very wisely these groups have been divided, and accordingly we are teaching each letter sound to our parents and children as well. So before we begin, I want you to become a student for today. Can you? Why I am asking this कि आप बच्चे बन जाए? बच्चों को सिखाने के लिए पहले हमें सीखना है. For today, I am your teacher and you all are my obedient students, right? Are you? I can't hear the sound. Thank you. I need this support only, because if we want to teach anything to our children, first we should know thoroughly. Then only we'll be able to convey the same thing to our children. And school and parents are the partners of our students, our children's learning growth. Yes or no? We are the equal partners, right? If we are teaching them all the sounds, and at home you are teaching them not the sounds directly, the name CAT, cat, PAT, pat, the little child will get confused. For their sake, we need to learn each and everything thoroughly, right? So I want active participation from my class, from my students, right? Are you there with me? Thank you so much. So here you can see 25 single letter sounds, and in the next hand you can see 18 main sounds are there. This is the syllabus of class UKG, and the sounds are A, E, 18 main sound we are doing. A, E, I, O, U. See, यहाँ पर मैं A, E और sounds I am not telling. यहाँ पर long sounds आएगा तो उसका main sound हम main word जो letter का है वही pronounce करेंगे. A, E, I, O, U. Ch, sh, th, the, ng. Qu here has come. Qu. Now short u, long u, ow, oi, and or. These are the main sounds which our children will be learning in class UKG, not in LKG. LKG only 25 letter sounds, and in class UKG 18 main sounds our children are going to learn, which you are going to learn today, right? So let's move on the next, the level 1. This is the syllabus of LKG, especially of English only. First is 25 single letter sounds we'll be reading. Then short vowel sound, 12 blue tricky words. Tricky words are the words which cannot be break through sounds. Those 12 tricky words we need to learn through rote learning, right? And then we have CVC word. What do we mean by CVC? Consonant, vowel, consonant. K, A, T, cat. So these are CVC word. Consonant, vowel, consonant. And then we have sentence reading. Whatever the word child is reading, 3 letter words. Lately means when the session is going to get over, by that time child will be able to read those letters, those words into sentences, right? Cat is on a mat. Such kind of sentences child will be able to read by the end of the session of LKG class. Is it clear to everyone? So let's move on the next. Now we have UKG syllabus. In UKG level 2, we have 18 main sounds, then long vowel, 4 and more letter words, and then 60 tricky words. There are total 72 tricky words. Out of 72, we are teaching 12 tricky words in class LKG and 60 in class UKG. And then we have blends, spelling rules, and sentence reading in class UKG as well. The syllabus, I have given you the gist of the syllabus. Now we'll be discussing each and everything in detail today, right? Starting from class LKG syllabus. So, I just wanted to know how many of you love to listen stories. किसको कहानियाँ सुनना पसंद है? हम सबको. जब हम छोटे थे तब भी अच्छा लगता था. अभी हमें डिफरेंट टाइप की कहानियाँ सुनना अच्छा लगता है, राइट? सो हम कुछ भी सिखाने के लिए स्टोरी टेलिंग इज द बेस्ट थिंग टू टीच एनीथिंग टू आवर चिल्ड्रन, राइट? हम कहानियों के माध्यम से कुछ भी बच्चे को सिखा सकते हैं और वो इन्फ्लुएंस भी होते हैं और मान भी जाते हैं उन चीज़ों को, लॉजिक्स को दे अंडरस्टैंड. So teaching anything, we should give the logic to them. And through stories, it is easier for us to make them understand any concept, right? So we'll start our session with the stories only, and every letter is having their own story. So we'll begin the session with stories, and you all have to listen to the stories very carefully because you have to use the same stories at home as well. And the sound and action, if whatever, because I'm the teacher and children are the good imitators. बच्चे क्या होते हैं? जो बड़े करते हैं उसको कॉपी करते हैं, जो मैम करते हैं उसको कॉपी करते हैं. तो आज के बच्चे आप हैं और मैम मैं हूँ. जो मैं एक्शंस करूँगी या जो मैं साउंड एवरी लेटर का बताऊँगी, you all have to do it along with me. Are you all ready? Thank you. So let's begin. So we'll begin with the first group. Before that, I would like to call Deepshikha ma'am and her students on the stage, Himaksh, Paridhi, Nitya, Manvit Singh and Tridi. Quickly come up, children. Very good. So, the first group is SATIPN, and the first letter of this group is letter S. And now we'll listen the story first. So once upon a time, there was a boy named Sam. क्या नाम था boy का? Sam. And he was passing through the jungle. And there he heard a sound. And he got scared. उसको डर लगा. So but he saw here and there. Then what did he find there? He found a spotty snake. The snake was not at all dangerous. The snake was only making a sound. Which sound? कौन सा sound? The sound and action of letter S is, you all have to do it with me. Let's do it together. Mama, Papa, everyone. The sound and action of letter S is, over to you. Come forward. Very good. Yes, tell us the friends.
What is snake?
Very good.
Snake.
Good. Thank you. So now the next letter is letter A. Once upon a time, I and my friend was playing in the park. We both were playing, and suddenly after playing, we got tired. We went under the tree and sat there and started eating an apple. Then what did we see there? Some ants were there around us, and they started moving on our arm, and we did not like it. And we started shooing the ants off. कैसे करेंगे? The sound and action of letter A is eh. Come on, show off करेंगे ants को. All together, सबको करना है. Everybody. Sound and action of letter A is, over to you. Say it louder. Very good. Very good. Thank you. These are the friends of letter A. So the next letter is letter T. How many of you love to play table tennis? किसको पसंद है? Do you? That's great. So one day I went to watch the table tennis match. To watch that match, I need to move my head to and fro, right? The moment ball hit the tennis racket, it made the sound tuh, 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 tuh. Let's do it together. Tuh, tuh, tuh. Sound and action of letter T is? Very good. So over to you. Very good. Thank you. The next letter is letter I. So there was a naughty mouse. He was running here and there in the whole house. And what happened? One day I was studying on my study table, and there was an open ink pot. And that naughty mouse was running on my table, and it dashed the ink pot and got wet and started squeaking. अभी माउस कैसे स्क्वीक करता है? Let's do it together. Put your hands here, both the hands. Say E, E, E. Together. E, E, E. Sound and action of letter I is E, E, E. Yes, over to you. Tell us the friend. Sound and action?
E, E, E.
Yes.
E, E, Eagaloo. E, E, Jack.
Good, thank you. So the next letter is letter P. There was a pig, and the name of the pig was Piggy the Pink Pig, right? and it was his birthday. So Mama Pig made a pink color, pig shape, beautiful cake. The moment he started cutting the cake, his friend stopped him. Wait, first blow the candle. So he blew the candle, and what is the action? Do it together. Sound and action of letter P is? Over to you. And the friends are? Yes, thank you. So the next story is of letter N. There was a big aeroplane and it was flying up high in the sky. So you all have to become an aeroplane. Let's stretch your arms. Come on, aeroplane बनना है, दोनों हाथों से. And now we'll fly in the sky with making the sound. Let's do it together. Yes. Very obedient students you are. Very good. The sound and action of letter N is? Over to you. Come on. 3 times. 3 times. Yeah. Very. Now tell us the friends. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, children. Say thank you. Bye. So this was our group 1 SAT-IPM. So we have learned all the stories and sound and action all, right? So now you have to teach your children this way only. If you'll make learning interesting, automatically they'll create the interest towards studies. नहीं तो generally complain होता है मैम पढ़ते ही नहीं है. हम कैसे पढ़ाते हैं? मस्ती करा के. तो मस्ती करनी है फिर पढ़ाई करनी है, right? So the next group I would like to call Rashmi ma'am along with her students Varniba, Kavyansh, Krisha, Jeeva, Adhiraj, Mehai and Rudhansh. Quickly come upon the stage. And the group 2 is CKEHRND. So let's begin the first story of say group 2. The first story of group 2 is letter C. Once upon a time there was a lady who was playing castanets. क्या होता है castanets? Can anyone tell me? Castanets. खड़ताल. खड़ताल देखा है, सुना है कभी? नहीं सुना? मेहरानगढ़ फोर्ट पर जाते हैं, जब हम ऊपर चढ़ाई चढ़ते हैं, साइड में वो बजा रहे होते हैं और वो एक खड़ताल भी बजा रहे होते हैं. That is castanets. So that lady was playing the castanet and it was making the sound k sound. So let's click the fingers and do the action and make the sound k k k. Let's do it together. K k k with both the hands. मेरा तो एक हाथ busy है. K k k. Yes. Sound and action of letter C is? Very good. And the friends are? Very good. Thank you. So now the next letter is letter K. And once upon a time I was flying a kite. Do you like to fly a kite? कितने लोग पतंग उड़ाते हैं? संक्रांत पे तो सभी उड़ाते हैं. Yes, everybody. So आज हम पतंग उड़ाएंगे with both our hands and we'll make the sound again. So let's fly a kite. K k k k k k k k k. Everybody. So sound and action of letter K is? Very good. Thank you. So now the next letter is letter E. Once there was a nest on a tree and it has few eggs into it. Suddenly a snake started slithering on the branches and suddenly he went near to the nest. And what happened? The nest fell down and all the eggs got broke. And what happened? It made the sound. Let's do it together. We'll break an egg, right? Let's do it like this and break it and make the sound with the smile. Eh, eh, eh. Smile and say eh, eh, eh. Sound and action of letter E is eh, eh, eh. Over to you. Yes. Good. And the friends are?
Elbow.
No. See the card. See the card.
Elephant.
Yes.
Elbow.
Very good. Thank you. So now the next letter is letter H. Once I participated in a hopping race. And I started from the start line and went to the finish line. The moment I reached there, I got tired and I started panting. Panting क्या होता है? Half now, right? I started panting. So how do we pant? Let's do it together. Sound and action of letter H is over to you. Come forward. Yes, very good. So friends are
Hand.
no, see the card. See the card first. किसका फोटो है? पहले देखो तो. Yes, check it.
Hand.
Yes, very good. And now flip the card. Yes.
Hand.
Okay, thank you. So the next story is letter R. There were two street puppies and they both were fighting for a dirty piece of cloth. They both had the corner of the cloth in their mouth, right? And they started stretching the cloth. And suddenly the cloth torn out and it made the sound. Let's do it together. Come on. Yes, sound and action of letter R is over to you. Come. Yes. Now pick up the card.
Rainbow. Rain.
Very good. Thank you. See, the next story is of letter M. Every mama makes lovely food, delicious food. Do you? Sab mama banate, right? So my mama also made delicious food, yummy food. And that day I was so hungry. I started eating all the food quickly, and very soon my tummy got full. But my mama asked me to have more, but I said, no mama, my tummy is full and the meal was yummy. So sound and action of letter M is come on, enjoy the meal. Socho hum khana kha rahe. Yes. So sound and action of letter M. Yes, very good. Good.
Mango.
Very good. Thank you, Nihal. So the last letter of group 2 is letter D. So my father gifted me a set of drum on my birthday and I was so excited I started playing the drum. So let's play the drum together with both our hands. D, d, d. Sound and action of letter D is d, d, d. D, d, d. Over to you. Pick up the card. So let's move on the group 3. Krishna Gehlot ma'am, please come up on the stage along with the students Ariba, Manmeet, Thanvi, Manaswini, Nehul and Shreya. Quickly settle down. And the third group is GOULFB. And the first story of this group is letter G. So one day my mama was washing vessels. What are vessels? Bartan. What are vessels? Bartan. My mama was washing vessels. Suddenly the water got clogged and it was not draining down. My mama got panicked and what does she saw there? She saw there was an obstacle and she removed the obstacle and this water started gurgling down and made the sound. Let's do it together. G, G, G. Sound and action of letter G is G, G, G. Yes, no, G. Very good. And the friends are? Very good. Thank you. So the next story is of letter O. It was a hot summer day and I was feeling very hot. So I went to the switchboard and turned on the button. Let's do it together. Sound and action of letter O is O, O, O. O nahi bolna. O, O, O. O, O, O. Over to you. Yes. And the friends are?
Octopus. Orange.
Very good. Thank you. And the next letter is letter U. It was raining very heavily, but I love to play in rain. So I was requested to my mama, let me play in the rain, but mama was saying, please take an umbrella along with you. So I took an umbrella and opened the umbrella. Let's open the umbrella. First you keep your hands like this and make the sound. Sound and action of letter U is Over to you. Yes, very good. And the friends are? Come little closer to the mic. Mic के पास आ जाओ. थोड़ा सा आगे. Yes. Very good. Thank you. So the next story is of letter L. First tell me, how many of you love to eat lollipop? किस किस को lollipop? जब छोटे थे तब तो बहुत खाई है हमने. Yes or no? So आज हम बच्चे हैं तो again we'll lick the lollipop, right? The sound and action of letter L is Yes. Over to you. Yes, good.
Lollipop.
Thank you. So the next letter is letter F. Once upon a time, my friend and I went to the beach, and there we decided to swim in a beach. But what happened? There I saw a floating fish. Then we decided we'll play with this floating fish only, right? But my friend was very naughty. He pricked the needle into the floating fish, and all the air came out and made the sound. जैसे फिश में से एयर बाहर निकलेगी तो फिश स्क्वीज डाउन हो जाएगी. So let's do it together. So sound and action of letter F is yes. Good.
Fish.
Very good. Thank you. And the last letter of this group is letter B. I love to play cricket. How many of you like cricket? कौन कौन पसंद करता है खेलना देखना? You do. That's great. Okay. So on my birthday, my papa gifted me a set of cricket, and I started playing with it. The moment ball hit the bat, it made the sound b b b. Let's do it together. B b b b b b. Over to you.
Ba, ba, ba.
Yes.
Ba, ba, ba.
Good.
Ba, ba, bat. Ba, ba, ball.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Krishna ma'am. Thank you, children. Thank you. So, this was the group 3. Now, we'll be moving to group 4, the last group of NKG, right? And the students are, I would like to request Pooja ma'am, please come up on the stage along with the students, and the names are Yojit, Usman, Vedant, Mihiba, Navyansh and Purvika. Please come up on the stage and quickly settle down. So the letters of group 4 are J, V, W, X, Y, Z. And the story of letter J, the first letter of group 4 is, once my mama made a jelly for me. Jelly देखी है ना, आती है मम्मा ने घर पर बनाई. She made a jelly for me, and she kept that jelly into the refrigerator to settle down. But I was so impatient, I took the jelly out and see what happened. Jelly started wobbling. ऐसे ऐसे करने लगी. The sound and action of letter J is V. Sorry, Z, J, 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 J. Yes, come on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good. Friends,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
see the card? Ah, yes. See it again. वापस देखो. Now see.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good. Now flip the card. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Very good. Thank you. So the next story is of letter V. So there was Mr. Vic, and he was driving an ice cream van. When he was passing through the village, all the children of that village started following him and started running behind him. And the van was going through and through, and it was making the sound. Come on, let's do it together. Let's drive a van. Sound and action of letter V is, you need to touch your teeth to the lower lip and make the sound. Over to you. Very good. Then the friends are,
Ooh, vegetable.
yes.
Ooh, van.
Good, good. Thank you. And now the next letter is letter W. When once I was passing through the village, the climate was very hot. It was a hot summer day. So I was feeling so thirsty. So there I saw a lady who was fetching water from the well. I went near to her and asked for a glass of water. But that lady did not have the glass. So she said, I don't have the glass. So I made a cup with my both the hands. Wait, listen. We'll make a cup with my both the hands and started drinking water. Wah, wah, wah. Sound and action of W is wah, wah, wah. Yes. Now over to you. Very good. Yes, come on. Pick up the card.
Ball.
Nahin, see the card. Do it again. See the card first. देखो क्या है?
Wow, watermelon.
Yes.
Watch.
Very good. Thank you. Now the next letter is letter X. When I was playing in the park, I fell down and got hurt in my arm. So my mama took me to the doctor, and doctor kept my arm under the X-ray machine. And X-ray machine came and clicked the photo. So let's click the photo. Yes, sound and action of letter X is. And the friends are.
Chemistry.
Very good.
X-ray.
Very good. Thank you. And the next letter is letter Y. And the story of letter Y is my mama made yogurt for me, and she gave me yogurt in a bowl. The moment I got yogurt, I started eating with the spoon. Yup, yup, yup. Sound and action of Y is yup, yup, yup. Yup, yup, yup. Over to you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Very good. And the friends are
Yeah, yogurt.
good.
Yeah, yo-yo.
Very good. Thank you. So the last story of group 4 is letter Z, and the sound of letter Z is Z. All right. So there was a beehive, and so many bees, honey bees, were moving around the beehive and making the sound. You have to become a bee. Chakri said, "Sab bee banenge." Keep your hands here and started making a sound. Come on! Can't hear the sound. Yes, very good. Sound and action of letter Z. Yes. And the friends are
Zebra.
yes, very good.
Zebra.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Thank you, children. Say thank you. Thank you. So, this was the syllabus of class LKG. Now we'll be learning sentences as well. But before that, I want to tell you the difference between C and K, because these two letters, they both are having the same sound. And in class LKG, it is little difficult to make them understand C आएगा कि K आएगा. So that is why we have given the name to them. C is, when C is there in the word, we usually say them the caterpillar car. You need to write caterpillar car, right? And for K, you need to write kicking car. Need to write kicking car in LKG. But in UKG, there is a different explanation which will be telling you when the course will come. UKG course will come, right? So this was the explanation of C and K. But two more letters are there where the children get confused, letter A and letter E. So for letter A, we need to open our mouth little wider. This jawline should come down, right? To pronounce letter A, we need to open the mouth, A. Say it, A. Open it wider, A. And for letter E, we need to smile, right? A. No need to open the mouth wider. बहुत बड़ा मुंह नहीं खोलना है. Smile करना है और sweetly बोलना है. Letter E is okay. So this is the difference. When we are saying bad, so we need to open our mouth wider, bad. Or when we are saying bet, we need to smile and say bet. Okay? Clear? This is the difference, right? So let's move on the next. So you can see a vowel hand. It must be there in your phonic line book as well. So on the tip you can see A, E, I, O, U is written there. These are short vowels which we are teaching in class LKG. And on the mountains of the palm we have written long vowels. That is also A, E, I, O, U. But here we are saying the names A, E, I, O, U. And when the letters are on the tip, we are saying the sound A, E, O, A, E, O, A, right? So here A, E, I, O, U, and here the sound, right? So this is the course of LKG and this is the syllabus of UKG, right? So next is reading. So before that, I would like to call Kriti ma'am. Please come up on the stage along with your students. And the names are Navishta, Pranshi, Jayavardhan, Hiya and Lavish. So they'll be now telling us the usage of short vowel into 2-letter words and the usage of short vowel into 3-letter words, right? So let's begin with letter A. Please come forward. Wait, let the player just mic. Yes. Very good. Now 3-letter. Good. Now next letter is letter E. And wait. And the sound and action of letter E is, you tell me, it is your testing time. Sound and action of letter E. No problem. Chal, let's do it together. Come on. Very good. Up read 3-letter word. Very good. Very good. Clap for her. Very good. Now letter I, and sound and action of letter I is, come on, sound and action of letter I. E. Now over to you. Come.
Eat.
Yes.
Eat.
Very good.
Kit.
Good. Thank you. So next letter is letter O, and sound and action of letter O is O. Good. Yes. Very good. Thank you. The last letter is letter U, and sound and action of letter U is Yes, very good. Good. Thank you. So now I would like to request ma'am, please come forward. Take the pointer. Yes, very good. Now she'll be reading sentence. So this is the syllabus of LKG. By the end of the session, every child will be able to read such sentences. Okay?
A cat sat. A cat sat on. A cat sat on the. A cat sat on the mat.
Yes, very good. Thank you. So in this way, every child will be able to read 3-letter sentences by the end of this session LKG, right? Thank you, Kriti ma'am. Thank you, children. So now let's move forward with UKG syllabus. For that, I would like to request Ronak ma'am to give us a detailed explanation of UKG syllabus. Over to you, ma'am.
So, good morning everyone. Before starting with the syllabus of UKG, let's have the quick revision of the LKG syllabus. So, the first group is SATIPM, that is S, A, T, E, P. Then there is CKEHRMD, that is the group 2. So, K, H, sorry, C-K-E. R. M is and then last is D. D. Third group is G-O-U-L-F-B. So G. O is O. U is A. L is L. F is and the last is B. And the fourth group is JVWXYZ. So the J is J. V is W. X. Y is Y. And the Z is Z. Okay. So we have done the short vowels in LKG, correct? That is E, O, A. So in UKG, we will be doing the long vowels. For that, I would request Preeti Mehta ma'am to come along with her students, Himansh, Pavik, Jivika, Tisha, Garvit and Namrata. So, what are long vowels? In long vowels, what happens? The two vowels are coming together and making one single sound. So what happened? Earlier there was a single sound. So the sounds are fighting among themselves. What happened? I am going to tell my sound. Other says I am going to take my sound. So the teacher told them, let's become the friends. One who is at first, it will going to take its name. So when A and I, they both become friends, the sound is A. So for that, we are having the rule. When two vowels go for walking, the first one does the talking and the second one is silent. So a student will going to explain you the rule.
When two balls go for walking, first one does the talking and the second one is silent.
Super. So the first long vowel is A. So for that, we are having the story. So you know what happened one day? I had a pain in my ear and my mama took me to the doctor and the doctor pulled my ear to check what happened. And in pain, I shouted, A! A! So parents, keep your hands on your ear and say, A! A! So can you tell me when A and I become friends, what is the sound?
I says A. I says A.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Okay, the next long vowel is double E. So let's listen to the story. Once upon a time, there was a donkey in my backyard and it was making the sound like E. E. So it is the long E. So stretch it. E. E. Okay. So can you tell me when double E become friends, what is the sound?
Double E says E. E. Eat. Seed. 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 Eat. Meat. Meat. Meat.
Very good. And the third long vowel is I. So let's listen to the story. So one day the captain was on the ship and the ship came on the bank. And what happened? When the sailor saw the captain, he saluted him like this. I. So parents, let's salute the captain. I. what is the sound?
Yes. I says I. I buy. Do I die.
Very good.
Thank you.
So, the fourth long vowel is O. So, let's listen to the story. One day, I saw a belly goat and she was having a long beard. I've never seen such goat. So, I got surprised. And in awe, I said, Oh. I said, Oh. So, हम कैसे surprise हो जाते हैं जब हमको कोई surprise देता है? Oh. Oh. So can you tell me when O and A become friends, what is the sound?
O says O. Road.
Last we have the U. So let's listen to the story. So there was a boy in my classroom. He was very naughty. And one day I got annoyed. So I called I called that boy, showing my finger like this. You, come here. So, do like this. You. So can you please tell me when U and E become friends, what is the sound?
U says you. You love.
Again.
Fuel. Q.
Very good. So, thank you Preeti Mehta ma'am and all the children for the wonderful performance. First we are going to take the vowel digraphs. So what is vowel digraph? When two vowels come together and make one single sound. That is double O, long and short, O and U and O-I. So let's listen to the story of the short O. So what happened? I had a clock in my room that was a cuckoo clock and it cooed at 1 o'clock like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So can you tell me what happens when double O become friends?
Short double O says oof, oof, ooh. Good. Cook.
Very good. Now let's listen to the story of long oo. So what happened? Again, my clock struck at 2 o'clock and it made the long oo sound. That was ooh, ooh, ooh. So can you please tell me the long oo sound?
Long double O says ooh, ooh. Ooh, moon. Cool.
Very good. Now, the next we have O and U. So, let's listen to the story. One day, my mama was stitching the button on my shirt and accidentally she picked her thumb with the needle. So, she was in pain and she shouted, Ow! 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 So, can you please tell me when O and U become friends, what is the sound?
O says ow. Shh. loud, loud, loud.
Superb. And the last vowel digraph is OI. So let's listen to the story. So one day, I wanted to play with my friend in the park. So my friend called me from the balcony with this signal. Oi! 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 So can you please tell me the sound when O and I become friends?
O-I says I. S-I, soil, 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 soil. T-I, toil, 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 toil.
Very good. So I would thank Lakshmita ma'am and all the children for the wonderful performance. Now, next we have the consonant digraphs. So I would request Pinky ma'am to come upon the stage with the students Thalvi, Kanika, Jishan, Jivansh and Kiara. So, again I'm going to explain what is consonant digraph. When two consonant letters come together and make one single sound. So let's see the first consonant digraph, that is C and H. So one day I was going with my parents to my native place. We went to the native place by train, and you know the train was chugging like this. Ch, 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 ch. So, can you tell me the sound when C and H become friends? First sound.
Chin. Chop.
Very good. Super. Next digraph is S and H. So, what happened? One day, my baby sister was sleeping in the cradle, and while she was sleeping, my naughty brother was disturbing her. So, my mama asked him to be quiet like this. Shh. जल्दी से शांत करवा दीजिए. Can you please tell me when S and H become friends, what is the sound?
S and T. She.
It is not sheep, it is ship. Short sound, ship. Next is?
Fish.
Very good. Next we have T and H. So T and H has two sounds. One is the hard sound and second is the soft sound. Okay? So let's listen to the story. So one day I was going for an exam. So my family wished me luck by showing the thumbs up. So all of you please show me the thumbs up. Are you all liking the session? Show me the thumbs up. Thumbs up. And say. So can you please tell me the sound?
T and says tin. Teeth.
Good, very good. Super, very good. Now, next story. So, one day I was practicing in my dance class. So, how I was practicing? I kept my hand on my waist and I was moving like this. And I was making the sound the. So, let's dance together. The.
the E. This, this, this. The that, that.
Very good. So, next we have NG. So, one day a wrestler was lifting heavy weights in the gym. So, while lifting the heavy weights, he made the sound, Let's lift the weight, parents. So, tell me when N and G become friends, what is the sound? Do the action. Yes. Good, good. Pick up the cards.
King, king, king.
Good.
Ring, ring, ring.
Very good. Thank you. And the last diagram, as ma'am told you, in LKG there are only 25 letter sounds because letter Q never comes alone in any word in English language. It will always going to come along with his best friend, that is U. So Q and U together make qua sound. So let's listen to the story. One day, Mama Duck was swimming in the pond and the baby duck was quacking from behind, calling her like this. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. So can you please tell me what is the sound when Q and U become friends?
Q says quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack is quail, quail, quail.
Very good.
Quack is quiz, quiz, quiz.
Very good. So I would say thank you to Pinky ma'am and all the children for the wonderful performance. Next we have R controlled vowels. So what are R controlled vowels? When the bossy R will going to control the vowel, it will going to say the vowel, you are not going to take your name. I will going to make a new sound. So we have AR, ER and OR. So let's listen to the first story, that is AR. So one day I had a sore throat.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to intervene. Parents, this workshop is for us only. So please don't leave in between. Unless you will not understand the entire concept, it will be difficult for you only to make your child understand the pattern of your school. Right? This is our school, this is our pattern, and we should know each and everything, minute things of this pattern. Right? It is a humble request. Stay here till the end. Right? Thank you.
Over to you. So, again I'm going to repeat. One day, I had a sore throat and I was not able to speak. So my mama took me to the doctor and the doctor asked me to open my mouth wide to check what happened. So, I did like this. Ah, ah, ah. So, can you tell me when A and R become friends, what is the sound?
AR says ah, ah, ah. Ka, ka, ka. Jar.
Very good. Next we have ER. So, one day my mama was making yummy chutney. So, the mixer grinder was making noise and the noise was So let's grind the chutney together. Yes, yes. So please tell me when E and R become friends, what is the sound?
E-R, say R.
Very good. And the last R control vowel is O-R. So again, the donkey in my backyard was making noise like or. So please tell me when O and R become friends, what is the sound?
O-R says R. For, con.
Super. So I would thank Sneha ma'am and all the children for the wonderful performance. Next we have all the consonant blends. So I would request Lakshita ma'am to come with her student Rishika, Ishan, Ishwangini and Shivangi. So, let's understand what are blends. When we blend two letter sounds together, that is b, when we blend two letter sounds together and make the sound b, मतलब दोनों लेटर साउंड के साउंड्स को हम साथ में मिक्स करके बोल रहे हैं ब, So, in consonant blends, we have three type of blends. That is, L blends, R blends, and S blends. So, please have a look.
When two consonants blended together and is making their own sound are called blends.
So, first we have L blends. Very good. Next we have R blends.
Brain.
Super. And the last we have S blends.
Spoon. Skate.
Wonderful. So, thank you Lakshika ma'am and all the children for the wonderful performance. Next we have all the advanced spelling rules. So, why do we need, thank you. So, why do we need advanced spelling rules? We need advanced spelling rule so that our children doesn't make spelling mistakes. So we have the first rule, that is magic E.
When we add letter E to the end of a word, then the short vowel before the E becomes long.
Okay, so what happens when we add magic E at the end of the word? So magic E will going to jump from the consonant and going to tell the short vowel to make its long sound. It will going to sprinkle its magic. How? Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. So can you please show me the magic of magic E?
Pen, pen, pen. Abracadabra, gilly gilly shoo, magic E. Pain, pain, pain. Cut, cut, cut. Abracadabra, gilly gilly shoo, magic E. Cute, cute, cute. Hop, hop, hop. Abracadabra, gilly gilly shoo, magic E. Hope, hope, hope. Pin, pin, pin. Abracadabra, gilly gilly shoo, magic E. Pine, pine, pine.
Super. So parents, did you like the magic of magic E? I can't hear.
Yes.
Okay. So next we have the CK rule. So whenever we are going to hear the K sound at the end of the word after the short vowel, we are always going to add CK. No C, no K. Only CK. So please explain me the rule.
Yes, ma'am. When K sound is heard after any short vowel, we should add CK. No C, no K, only CK. Back, back, back. Neck, neck, neck. Pick, pick, pick. Lock, lock, lock. Duck, duck, duck.
Very good. Next we have AI rule. So AI also makes the sound of A and AY also makes the sound of A. So the children will get confused. What to use, AI or AY? So we have a rule. So when we hear A sound in the beginning of the word or in the middle of the word, we are always going to use AI. And when we are going to hear the A sound at the end of the word, we are going to use AY. So can you please explain me the rule?
Yes, ma'am. AI rule. When the long A sound is heard in the middle of the word, we use AI. When the long A sound is heard at the end of the word, we use AY. Aim, aim, aim. Pain, pain, pain. Me. Play.
Super. Next we have OI rule. OI has the sound OI and OY also has the sound OI. So when to use OI and when to use OY. So OI will always going to come in the beginning of the word and the middle of the word. And OY will always going to come at the end of the word. So can you please explain me the rule?
O-I-O-Y rule. When I sound is heard in middle, then we write O-I. When I sound is heard at end of the word, then we write O-Y. Oil. Boil. Toy. Enjoy.
Thank you. Next we have the floss rule. So what happens in floss rule? When we are going to hear the sound of the consonant, and these are the particular 4 consonants only, F, L, S and Z. After the short vowel sound, okay, then we are going to double F, L, S, Z. That is double F, double L, double S and double Z. So can you please explain me the rule?
Yes, ma'am. When we hear short sound of vowel A, E, I, O, U before the consonants F, L, S, Z, then we must double the consonants double F, double L, double S, double Z. Loss. Bell. Puff. Pill.
Super. And the last rule is all family words. So, you know, when letter A meets the brothers L, it's going to sound all. It will going to sound all. So let's listen to the words.
Call. Toy. Ball. Mall.
Super! Wonderful performance. I would thank Preeti Jain ma'am and all the children for an amazing performance. Welcome. So, as ma'am told you earlier that C and K, they both have the same sound, that is K. So in LKG, we just told them that is the caterpillar K and the kicking K. But in UKG, again the children keep asking, should we write caterpillar K or kicking K? So we just made a new rule for them. So C has 2 sounds. One is the hard sound and the soft sound. The hard sound of C is K. Okay? And the hard sound of C will always going to come with A, O, U. That is C-A, C-O, C-U. That is caught, cut and cat. Correct? Next, the K. So K will going to keep only 2 vowels. That is I and E. So that is kit, cat, kite. After that, we have the tricky words. So I would request Pinky ma'am to please come on stage along with the children. So, tricky words. First of all, as ma'am told you, there are 72 tricky words. 12 tricky words we are doing in LKG. They are coded in blue color. And the 5 colors we are doing in UKG, that is 60 tricky words. Red color, yellow color, green color, pink color and orange color. So tricky word does not follow the usual phonic rule. They should always be learned by heart. We have to memorize them by heart. So please tell me the rule.
Tricky words do not follow the phonic rules. They must be recognized by sight and memorized. It is coded in 6 different colors. We should learn them by heart.
Okay, so first tricky word is blue tricky word.
New tricky words. M-E, me, me. W-A-S, was.
So, have you seen how the child is reciting? M-E, me. W-A-S, was. So, letters का name लेके हमको spelling को learn करना है. Correct? Next we have yellow tricky words.
Yellow tricky words. E-H-E-Y, they. Y-O-U, you.
Thank you. Next we have red tricky words.
Red tricky words. O-N-L-Y, only. L-I-K-E, like.
Thank you. Next we have the green tricky words.
Three tricky words. W-H-I-C-H, which. M-O-R-E, more.
Next we have pink tricky words.
Pink tricky words. R-I-G-H-T, hide. G-O-E-S, goes.
Thank you. And the last color is the orange tricky word.
L-O-V-E, love. A-L-W-A-Y-S, always.
Very good. So I would thank Pinky ma'am and all the children for an amazing performance. And now I would call our respected principal ma'am to please come over.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, dear parents. This was all about from our end. That was the syllabus of class LKG and UKG. So it is very essential for both of us, you and we, should be on the same platform. See, you must be wondering so many rules we have come to know today. CK rule, magic E rule. Do we ever aware about this rule? क्या हमें पहले पता था? C और K साथ में क्यों आते हैं? बैक में तो एक ही का साउंड आ रहा है, हम K क्यों लगा रहे हैं? So magic E कैसे उसका pronunciation change हो जाता है, कट कब क्यों हो जाता है? So many things we have learned today. जब हम भी बच्चे थे, हमें नहीं पढ़ाया गया था. जब हम टीचर बने तो we have come to know so many new things, right? Because we are the teachers, we are into this profession, so we are very well versed with the things. But you as parent must be knowing about these things because we are teaching our children at home as well. We are the first teacher of our children. तो हमें भी वो पता होना चाहिए जो हमारे बच्चों के लिए, because you and we both are working for the betterment of our students, for our children, right? आप भी यही चाहते हैं वो शाइन करें, ग्रो करें, हर दिन कुछ नया सीखें, यही हमारा भी मोटिव है. So आप और हम, if we'll work hand in hand, definitely our children will glow like stars, right? So we'll be requiring your support, your help. Whenever any homework comes to you, please make them complete the homework. There is one booklet we'll be giving you. You all already have received those booklets, right? Ma'am, do we have the booklet? Phonic booklet. Can anyone bring from my table? So phonic, yes. Thank you. She has. Thank you. So this is UKG phonic land, and LKG also might have received, right? We'll be giving practice from this booklet only, right? We have phonic land as well, but first we'll begin with this and gradually we'll do that as well. Simultaneously it will go, but every day this booklet will come to you. So make it a ritual. जैसे 3 time का we make food बनाते हैं, breakfast, lunch, dinner, कुछ skip करते हैं, कितना भी काम हो, are we skipping any meal? नहीं करते. तो ये भी बहुत important है. ये भी उस मील की तरह इम्पोर्टेंट है जो हमारी टमी के लिए मील इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये हमारे ब्रेन, हमारे बच्चे की ब्रेन के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट मील है जो उसको एवरी डे देना जरूरी है. सो इट इज माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू यू ऑल, काइंडली गिव एवरी डे प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दिस बुकलेट. Whatever is going on, like if we are doing only letter S, kindly give practice of letter S. If we have completed group 1, do practice of group 1 only. I'm not asking कि आप आगे आगे चलिए, लेकिन हमारे साथ साथ चलेंगे तो बच्चे का रिवीजन हो जाएगा. जैसे एक सिंपल एग्जांपल मैं जनरली सभी पेरेंट्स को देती हूँ. जब हम कार ड्राइविंग स्कूल जाते हैं, कार ड्राइव करना सीखते हैं. क्या हम घर आकर अपनी कार पर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं? So it is very important. अगर हम नहीं करेंगे तो क्या हम कॉन्फिडेंटली कार को रोड पर ड्राइव कर पाएंगे? That confidence will not be there क्योंकि हमने इंडिपेंडेंटली कुछ नहीं किया. So practice is very important. Whatever we are doing, give them only once in a day that practice. कुछ भी करें, चाहे वो कुकिंग है, स्टडी है, रीडिंग है, कुछ भी है, आपको उसको प्रैक्टिस करना is must. If you practice, you can see the difference in your own children. Complain मत करिए कि बच्चा पढ़ता नहीं है. We need to find out the ways. वो कैसे पढ़ेगा? Every mother should have a key of their child. कौन सी चाबी से चलेगा, right? They are a toy for us, right? और ये कौन सी चाबी से चलते हैं हमें पता होता है. So कैसे मानेगा? प्यार से. मम्मा इमोशनली भी मना सकती है, मम्मा को सब पता होता है. So आपको एक्सक्यूज नहीं बनाना है, प्रैक्टिस का रिचुअल बनाना है. रोज घर में सोने से पहले एक बार रीडिंग करके सोएंगे हम, ठीक है? सो हमको इतनी सी हेल्प आपसे चाहिए, देन यू कैन सी चेंज इन योर होम चाइल्ड. फिर हम खुद कहेंगे मैम वाकई में ही इज डूइंग सो ब्यूटीफुली, राइट? So if we'll give this practice to our children, we can see a drastic change in our children, right? Thank you so much parents for sparing your valuable time for the betterment of our own students, right? Thank you so much. Keep doing this. Whatever we have learned today, don't forget it. If you find any difficulty, 24/7 we are available to you. आप किसी भी समय हमें कॉल करके पूछ सकते हैं. शाम को 5 से 6 के बीच में कॉल करिए. और अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो व्हाट्सएप मैसेज ड्रॉप कर दीजिए. वी आर अवेलेबल, विल आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. एंड अपॉइंटमेंट लेकर आप स्कूल आए तो हम पूरा चीज वापस एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. बट यू नीड टू टेक द इनिशिएटिव, राइट? थैंक यू सो मच.